friends, I have a digital clock which has actually developed a snag that I'm not able to set its time by using the two switches provided here. So I have opened it already. So after opening this clock, it seems to be like this. This is a power supply cord, and you can see when it enters, the supply goes to this rectifier. This is simple rectifier used in so many appliances. Here you can see a transformer which will be stepping down the voltage, and there you can see the set of diodes. It is actually a bridge rectifier where 4 diodes are connected in the shape of a bridge. Then the filtration is provided by these. There you can see a set of these capacitors, and there are 2 transistors and set of resistors as well, which are further regulating the supply. Okay, so the means it is a 4-step rectification. First of all, transformer doing its own work, that is stepping down the voltage. Then the diodes, they are converting the AC supply into DC voltage. Then in third, the capacitors are doing their work. They are filtering the ripples in the current. And then finally, the set of these transistors with some resistors, they are regulating the supply. So the supply is then obtained, that is of means 5 volt only. So the 5 volt supply is taken by this through this wire, and you can see it is entering. It's a low power supply now. Enter this board consisting of, there are 4 7-segment display, 1 2 3 4, and there are 2 blinking LEDs as well. So you can see the power entering here through this switch. You can open this, disconnect this switch at any time. So there you can see set of certain transistors used. Actually it is 8550 transistors used here for the different these 7-segment display LEDs. These are actually segments. 7-segment display is nothing but set of LEDs only. So these transistors are actually amplifying the current wherever it is required. And there you can see set of resistors also. Various resistors are there and capacitors. And one more thing, here you can see that supply from of around 3 volt. There are 2 cells inside it. So that supply serves the purpose like CMOS in a computer. It keeps the time, means the oscillations going on, so that even if there is the light, power is switched off, this clock doesn't stop. It will keep on giving the correct time. So this is the whole circuit. The problem here now, and for here you can see this is what is the which is providing us the oscillations, means the time clicking by using this IC. Here you can see this is IC board connected with the 7-segment display, and through this wire is the control provided. For one switch is for setting it, and the second one is for correcting the time. Okay, so actually because with the passage of time the dust enters into it, and the switch has stopped working. So I should tell you how does it work. I have already actually because they are not working, so I have used a shortcut method to set the time. Now I will show you how I'm supplying power, and you can see here I have now connected it to 220 volt supply, that is home supply, and I'm going to switch it on. See, this is 523. So there are two switches. One is to set it, this one is to set it, but it is not working. See, so if it's not working, then I will have to short this switch so that it starts working. So what I can do is here, now you can see it has started blinking, means it is. Now you can modify this time. These are hours. You can make move it up or down by using the second one, which is also not working. See, this is not working. It is not giving us 6 or 7. So what I will do, I will do this 6 7 7 7, then 8, then 9 10, then again it is C 11 12, and then 1 2 3 3 4, and then this is 5. So sometimes, oh no, it's 6 now. Again I will have to go 8 9, then 10, and then 11 12 1 2 1 2 3 3 4, this time 4. If it is not 4, now it is 5. Okay, so the time is set, our time is set to 5. So now I would like to set up, it is already set. Similarly you can go with the minute time also. So you can shift it to 25. Okay, it is already 25, so 5:25 is the time. Otherwise you can do it like that. Okay, so this I just wanted to show that this way, by just studying the circuit, you can directly set the time in a digital clock. So there is nothing, anyone can go with this project. So that's it. Thank you.